Hello, my friends. How's everybody doing today? I am going to get us started with our 10 frames. So everybody show me your 10 frames. I would like it to be 0 plus 0 right now, or 0 minus 0, either way. So you are going to get your 10 frames out. Show me, show me, show me. Excellent. I love how you guys all have it with you. Thank you. All right, we're going to start with addition. So we're going to make our numbers get bigger. So our first problem that I want you to do on your 10 frame is 2 plus 2. Show me what 2 plus 2 will look like on your 10 frame. Excellent, Anaya. Let's see who else. Yes. All right. So if you're going to do 2 different colors, make sure it's 2 yellow, 2 red. Because if you do 3 red and 1 yellow, it's not 2 plus 2 anymore. It's 3 plus 1. So if I were to do 2 plus 2, I could do 2 over here and 2 over here. Or I could do the 2 colors like what I had just talked about. Let's try and do the 2 colors so that we can separate them easier. Excellent. All right, your next math problem, I want you to do addition again, so your numbers are going to get bigger. 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3. Do them in 2 different colors. All right, yes, I'm seeing some great math problems so far. I'm going to give you 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes, Dakota? All right, so if we have 4 plus 3, we have 4 red and 3 yellow, or you might have done 4 yellow and 3 red. Absolutely. All right. Yesterday, we started doing subtraction. So can you make your board say 0 plus 0 again? So that means we're going to clear it off. Now it says 0 plus 0. And we're going to do subtraction. So our first subtraction problem is going to be 4 minus 2 equals. 4 minus 2 equals. So if you need a reminder, the first thing you're going to do is put the 4 down. That's the first number we have. So I have 4 up there, 4 red ones. And then when we're subtracting, our numbers get smaller. So we need to take 2 away. What do we have left? 2. So we have 4 minus 2 equals 2. All right, new subtraction problem. This one I want you to do 6 minus 3 equals. All right, so I have 6 minus 3. So the first thing you're going to do is put 6 on your 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 on your 10 frame. It says we need to take away 3. So take away 3. 1, 2, 3. Now I have 3 left. All right, we're going to do one more subtraction on the 10 frames. Are you ready? Let's make this a good one. 10 minus 4 equals. So I have 10 minus 4 equals. You need to put 10 on here first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's filled. And then take away 4 of them. And what do we have when we take away 4 of them? Make sure you're taking away 4. I see some great math happening here. Some great subtraction. All right, so if I take away 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, what do I have left? I have 5, 6. Remember, there's 5 on the top row, and 1 more equals 6. So the answer, 10 minus 4 equals 6. Excellent job, my friends. You may put your whiteboards, or you may put your 10 frames away, and we are going to do the calendar. All right. Yes, Isaiah?
I made something with the whiteboard.
Okay, you can show me later, okay? Oh, I see that. That's pretty cool, honey. All right, here we go. We are going to do the calendar. Yesterday, when we were here, it was the 25th. The 25th. So, I want you on your whiteboard to show me what number comes after 25. So think 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. What comes next? You should be writing it on your whiteboard. I'd like to see everybody trying. I don't see everybody with a whiteboard today. I have 2 people that have given me an answer. 3 people, 4 people, 5 people. Let's see, 6 people. I need way more than 6 people. Come on, show me what you got. What comes after 25? After 25 comes 26. Look at your board. Do you have 26 written on your board? All right, here we go. Today is Tuesday, January 26th, 2021. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Months of the year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, too. Woo! All right, my friends, now we need to count how many days we have been kindergartners. And the last time you were here, we had one lonely stick. One lonely stick in the ones place. And now if we add another stick, how many do we have? Write it or show me on your fingers. Yes, Ariana. Excellent. You can show me on your fingers. That is wonderful. So yes, 1 plus 1 equals 2. So now we have 2 in the ones place. Here we go. Let's look for our 2. 1, 7, 6, 5, 8, 0, 9, 4, 3, 2. We found our 2. So we have 2 sticks in the ones place. Now we have our bundles of 10. So let's see how many we have. 1, 2. Woo! Let's throw them on the floor. start over, my friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bundles of 10. All right, let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 80. Let's do it one more time. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So if we are looking at our tens place, we had 8 bundles of 10. That's 80 plus 2. 80 plus 2 equals 82. You have been kindergartners for 82 days. All right, my friends, it is magic number time. I need you to get out your whiteboard, make a line down and a line through the middle, and write our magic number down. What is our magic number? It's the number that's in our ones place. Oh, I already see some of you have been working hard. You're already showing me your boards and what you have done. Excellent, excellent job. Way to be proactive, my friends. All right, we're going to give everybody else just another minute to figure out all the different ways to make 2. All right. Do my attendance while I'm waiting for you guys to get done with that. All right, I'm ready. Are you ready? Let me see those amazing boards. I am seeing some of you wrote 2 tally marks. So that's just 2 lines down for tally marks. I am seeing some of you made a dice with 2 dots in it. I'm seeing some of you made a 10 frame with 2 dots in the 10 frame. I am seeing some of you did 2 cookies. Yummy, I want some cookies. I see some of you did our math problem from the ones place. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Absolutely. You could do 2 plus 0 equals 2 as well. Nicely done on our magic number 2, my friends. You may erase your boards. Excellent, excellent job. All right. We have got that done. Now we are going to go on to our numberless word problems. So remember, when we're talking about our numberless word problems, it starts with no numbers. It just gives us words and we don't know the actual math problem yet. So I'm going to be asking you guys what you are thinking in your head. So I had some of you say that you couldn't see me when I showed the screen. So I'm not going to show the screen today. You're going to listen to my words. How many of you have ever been to the dentist before? I hope everybody's been to the dentist. Point to what the dentist helps you with. What does the dentist help you with? Point to it. Yes, those beautiful, shiny, white teeth. That's what the dentist does. So our numberless word problem talks about a dentist, all right? So the dentist helped a few adults and some children. The dentist helped a few adults and some children. What are you picturing in your head? Who wants to share what they're picturing? Saharsh, what are you thinking?
I'm thinking that there are 5 adults and 4 children.
Okay. Did my problem tell you that there was 5 and 4?
Nope.
Nope, but that's what you're seeing in your head. Okay. Eduardo, what are you picturing in your head?
6 and 1.
Okay, so 6 adults and 1 child. All right. Riley, what are you picturing in your head?
10 children and 9 adults.
Ooh, that dentist is very busy in your head, isn't he? 10 children or 10 adults and 9 children?
No, 10 children and 9 adults.
10 children, 9 adults. Okay. Aiden, what are you picturing in your head?
You couldn't even see my hand up early. I was raising my hand and I'm like, why you're not holding on?
Sorry, honey, I'm trying to get through our lesson. So what are you picturing about the dentist?
I like it. I'm picturing like a lot of children because when I went there, I saw some children.
Okay, I like that. So he's actually, in his head, he's thinking of his own dentist office, and he's seeing some children. We're going to move on. I will call other people for the next question, okay? The next part of this says, the dentist helped 4 adults and some children. How did our story change? 4 adults and some children. Desaya, how did it change?
4 adults and some children.
And how did that change from the last time I said it?
You said 4 adults and some kids.
I did. And what did I say at the beginning, though?
You said if we had some adults and some kids.
Yes. So now it changed because I added how many adults. Show me on your fingers how many adults?
4.
4. That's right. So now we're going to go to the next thing. And it says 4 adults and 5 children. All right, close those eyes and think of your dentist office. And there are 4 adults and 5 children. Now, do we know what to do for our math problem yet? Riley, do we know what to do?
Yeah.
We do? What do we do?
Well, we changed the story.
It did change the story. How did it change the story?
You said 4 adults and 5 children.
I did. Good listening.
And then you said 4 adults and some children. And then you said some adults and some children.
Excellent. Way to listen. Now, do we know if we need to add or subtract yet? No, I haven't asked you a question yet, have I? So now we need to know that question. We need to know what the question is going to be. The question is, there are 4 adults and 5 children. How many people did the dentist help? Do we have a question yet? How many people did the dentist help? So my friends, we have 4 adults. Adult starts with the letter A. And we have 5 children. Children starts with the letter C. You can use A for adult and C for children. Show me your problem, not show me how to do the problem, not just the answer. I'm going to give you just a minute to draw it out so that I can see if you know how to do this. 4 adults and 5 children. That dentist was very busy. Adeline, finish the problem. Emma, show me the work. Show me how you got that answer. Riley, show me how you got that answer. Xavier, show me how you got that answer. I don't want just the answer. Aiden, try and show me how you got the answer. All right, I have confused you. I see everybody just writing an A and a C. So I'm gonna make this a little bit easier. We're not gonna use the letters this time. We're gonna draw big people and little people. Big people and little people. 4 adults, 5 children. Show me. Draw 4 big people, 5 little people. Isaiah, perfect. You can keep it just the way it is. Yes, Xavier, perfect. You can keep it just the way it is. If you are confused, fix it to 4 big people and 5 little people. Okay, so he helped 4 adults. We need to write the number 4. And he helped 5 children, so we need to write the number 5. Now I need to know, are we adding or are we subtracting? Tell me in here, are we adding or subtracting? Is our number getting bigger or smaller? It is getting bigger, so we have our addition sign. What does it equal? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It equals 9. And if you were able to see the board, you would be able to see the word people, but I didn't show it to you, so you don't have to have that marked. All right. You may erase that one. We'll do another numberless word problem tomorrow. The next thing we're going to do, I am going to have you watch the 3D shape video because we're going to do, I'm thinking of this shape again today. All right, so let me get my 3D shape song and hear you singing.
Here are the 3D shapes that I know. A sphere, a cylinder, a cube, and a cone. A baseball, the moon, and an orange I have right here are all examples of a 3D shape that people call a sphere. A basketball, the earth, and marbles I have here are all examples of a 3D shape that people call a sphere. Here are the 3D shapes that I know. A sphere, a cylinder, a cube, and a cone.
And a pyramid. I love how you're all singing.
A pencil shaped in a can of soup would be
Examples of a cylinder, as you can plainly see.
a marker, a glass of milk, and a peanut butter jar
Are all examples of a cylinder? Yes, I'm sure they are.
Here are the 3D shapes that I know.
A sphere, a cylinder, a cube, and a cone.
An ice cube, a cardboard box, and a Christmas present for you
Are all examples of a 3D shape that people call a cube.
my little dice, a sugar cube, and blocks that I use
Are all examples of a 3D shape that people call a cube.
Here are the 3D shapes
That I know. A sphere, a cylinder, a cube, and a cone.
an ice cream cone, a pencil tip,
And a megaphone are all examples of a 3D shape that people call a cone.
a birthday hat, a traffic cone, or a funnel in my home.
Are all examples of a 3D shape that people call a cone. Here are the 3D shapes that I know. A sphere, a cylinder, a cube, and a cone.
A paperweight, Egyptian pyramids, and some tents would be
Examples of a pyramid, as you can plainly see. Here are the 3D shapes that I know. A sphere, a cylinder, a cube, and a cone. And a pyramid. All right, my friends. We're going to play the game that we played yesterday, where I'm going to tell you of a shape that I'm thinking of. And I'm going to start by having you draw a circle on your board. I want you to start by drawing a circle on your board. Just do the best you can, Zariana, with what you have. I know it's not working very well. It's okay. Just do the best you can. All right, so I am thinking of a shape that reminds me of a circle. It reminds me of a circle, but it's not a circle. Thinking of a shape that reminds me of a circle, but it's not a circle. What shape could you draw that would remind you of a circle? There are a few things that you could draw. Today, I'm going to have you tell me why you think it reminds you of a circle. All right? So I'm going to give our friends just a little bit longer. Think about a circle has no vertices, no edges, right? It just goes around. A circle is a 2D shape. We could use some 3D shapes. All right? So, you know what, Dakota? I'm going to start with you. What shape do you have?
Oh, this thing.
Yeah, what is it called? It's not called a circle. It's the 3D name for a circle. What is the 3D name for a circle? She's holding a globe, my friends, and it is this shape. What is this shape called? A sphere. Say sphere.
Yeah.
Sphere. Why does this remind you of a circle, Dakota?
Because it has a round.
Yeah, because it's round, just like a circle is round. Great. Some of you wrote something else. I see Isaiah drew a sphere, and so Isaiah, why did you draw a sphere?
It'll be much easier.
It's much easier than drawing what?
It's better. I can draw a rectangle or prism.
But that's not what I asked you to draw. I asked you to draw something that reminds you of a circle. You drew a sphere, and that's okay. Aiden, what do you have?
Sure.
Show us.
She can't see it. What is it?
The candle.
It is a candle, and my friends, it is shaped like this. What is this shape called, Aiden?
I don't know.
You don't know.
A cylinder. And what do you see on the top of your cylinder?
What is this? It's a cylinder, but what's the shape?
So what's this? Goes around.
Oh, so what shape is it?
Candle.
It's a
So-
candle. It's a circle.
Yep, so the candle is a circle. A cylinder has 2 cylinders. Could you draw a cylinder? Yes, you could. Absolutely. What else could you think of that would remind you of a circle? Anaya, what are you thinking of that reminds you of a circle? Okay, what is it?
A cube.
A cube. And how does a cube remind you of a circle?
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So how does that remind you of a circle? Does it have any circles in it?
No.
Is it round?
No.
So that might not be able to remind us of a circle. It's a shape, And circles are shapes, so that's one way it could remind us of a circle. Eduardo, what are you thinking?
I'm thinking of this reminds me of as a circle.
Yes, what is that?
What is that?
Yeah, what is it called?
Oval.
Yes, a smashed circle is an oval. So Eduardo drew something that looked like that. He said an oval reminds him of a circle because it's a smushed circle. Good, thank you, Eduardo. Joey, what reminds you of a circle? Okay, what is it? A circle reminds you of a circle, huh? All right, sounds good, my friends. All right, we are going to do 2 counting activities. We're going to start with counting by 5s, and then we're going to count by 10s. When you're counting by 5s, make sure you are showing you're counting by 5s, all right? And then that will be all we have for today, so let's get our counting on.